Online is the voice clear? Maybe for some people it's slow, I think. Yeah, it's clear. Good. Good evening, everyone. Good. How are you all? Fine. Now, let's see what we have discussed in the previous class. Might be people who came today also first. Actually, we have started the class, but still, to the people who came just today, you will get complete links till now, what we have discussed. Just go through those links so that you will get an idea. And we just started yesterday. So it will not be something so difficult. Whoever comes from today, just see the previous classes so that you will get a better idea. Is it clear, man? Yeah. Is there anyone here who is starting from today? Yeah. Just see the links. They will provide you complete YouTube links. We just started. It's not a big deal. Okay. Now, anyway, we'll have a quick revisions every day. That's not only today, like every day we'll have whatever we discussed yesterday, we'll have a quick revision and you will get it. Now, 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 what I expect everyone to know. Every day, I will tell you what we discussed in the first 10 minutes so that you guys can retrospect. In case if you don't know any of these concepts, which we discussed already, you can ask a doubt on it or you can try on your own. Is it clear, man? Does it make sense till now? Yes. Let's start, sir. Everyone had an idea on HTML introduction. I explained you some introduction about what is HTML. I gave you an introduction of what is HTML and why the HTML is used. What is HTML, sir? Hypertext markup language. Now, what is the use of HTML? Used to create the web pages. Structure of the web pages. Used to create the structure of the web pages. HTML alone cannot create everything. HTML create only structure of the web page. Who created the HTML, sir? Tim Berners-Lee. Who created it? Berners-Lee. Very good. In HTML, everything is made up of elements. Everything is made up of. Excellent. So let me make the points. HTML, everything is made up of. Answer is elements. Next. Next. Anyone can answer this. An element is equal to open tag, content, open tag, content, and close tag. Good. Perfect. One element will contain open tag, content, close tag. For example, if I have to write one H1 element, I will write it H1 open tag, something matter, hello, and then H1 close tag. Open tags will not have the slash and the close tag will have the slash. Next, what more we discuss? HTML contains two elements. Anyone tell me what HTML will contains? Head and body. Oh, very good. Good. Now, head contains. Head contains title. That is true, sir. Title. What is the use of head? Metadata. Head is actually source metadata. That is true. Metadata. Metadata means data about data. Good. What is the use of body? What? Actual. Body contains actual content. Barabar. Actually, every day we'll do revision like this one. Instead of me explaining, I will ask the questions which I explained the previous day. And if you have the doubts, so that we can repeat the topic. And we also discussed some more things, sir. Okay. Now, how many headings are there? How many headings are there? H1 to 6. H6. What is the largest one? H1 is the largest. Perfect. What is the smallest one? H6 is the smallest. Not only size, importance also decreases. I think I told it. H1 is having higher importance and H6 has lower importance. Now, next. What is the tag used for paragraph? P. P is used for paragraph. Does any one of you remember shortcut to get basic HTML? Basic HTML code, exclamation plus enter. You can use HTML:5 also, it's up to you. Okay, mostly I will use this. Now, I want a dummy paragraph, sir. RM. What do you use? And this is what we discussed, and we did everything in VS Code, sir. So the people who are starting from today, if you are a non-technical also, to say you truly, this everything is 10 minutes class. Whatever I discussed in the last whole day, yesterday, is actually in 10 minutes you can finish it. Not a big deal. And I'm reminding you one more thing. Well, CSS, children can learn very easily. Never ever get demotivated. Okay? In case if you still did not get it, you can let me know. Today, we will discuss more and I will also tell you where to practice, where to try and practice. Okay? Online is voice is clear, ma. For some people, it's not clear, I think. Online is voice clear. Now, clear only. Good. Let's see. This is what we discussed yesterday, sir. Let's start. I am using one code editor to write my code. What is the code editor we are using in this session? Type it here, VS Code. Visual Studio Code. Downloading Visual Studio Code is very easy. It's a children's play. Does everyone have VS Code downloaded? Good. Download, open Visual Studio Code. Now, where I have to go now? File. Where I have to go now? Open folder, not new file. If you use new file now, what will happen? It will create one new file. Okay. Instead, open. For you, you don't need to worry because you will have one file only. It will be opened. For me, every class it changes now, so that's why I have to open it. Now, open folder. And yesterday, I created one folder, sir, for this class. 4 p.m. HTML, CSS, JS. Let's open it up and open. If you see, yesterday, if you see this, if you click this, it will collapse. It is refresh. This is new folder. This is a new file. I created one folder. What is my folder name, sir? Inside the folder, 3 more folders are there. Code, notes, projects. Why did you create it, sir? So that we can organize the folders. Always organizing the folders is a good practice. When you go for higher classes now, like React or something, or Java or Python, folder structure matters. Now, inside the code, I have one more folder. The folder name is first 16, 12, 24 that contains code which I wrote on 16th, 12, 2024. And that is the first one. Today, I want to create another folder. Where I want to create folder? Inside code or inside first? Inside code, Ray, not first. Okay, so click on the code. Click on the code. Can you see this new folder, ma? Click on this. Now today, I'm going to create it. Headings, para, anchor, image. We will discuss these things in detail. We will go slowly to somewhat bigger, sir. Okay. Even to the people who are new today can able to cope it up. If you can understand today's class, you don't need to worry about previous classes. You can move on actually. Now, next one. Inside this, inside this second one, select the second one. I am creating it. What is the default file name I told you to take? Index dot? Is it a rule? No, I told you to take it. In future, I will tell you how to keep your website live. Today only I will tell you that so that you will get a better idea. Now, the name is index.html. Index.html. See? If you click on this, it will close completely. Now, so I created one file, sir, and nothing is there inside this file, sir. Tell me, how to create template code? Exclamation plus enter. What are the shortcuts are called? Perfect. What are the shortcuts are called? Emmets. Will I get this emmet anywhere, sir? No. These emmets are for VS Code. Tomorrow, imagine you go to interview. In interview, they will ask you to write the HTML code in some kind of online compilers. And if you write exclamation enter now, it will not work. Always remember that it is VS Code specific. And because of the shortcuts are there, I told you to use this nice. In real-time world also in our company and all, we use this only. There is nothing. In companies, people use VS Code. In your practice also, you use VS Code. Only in interviews, we will not use VS Code. In interviews, they will not believe it. That's why they will ask you to do something online compilers. Okay? Now, anyway, I have a code. How to run your code? How to run your code? Go live. Now, see this. Here, go live is there. Why did I get go live there? Live server extension is there. I will ask the same questions for the next few days also, sir. Why? Because I want you to remember to get it. Everyone should have one extension called live server. Left side, if you see, the square boxes are called extensions. What are they called? Click on the extensions and then select one extension named live server, and it will come one extension live server by Ritwik Day. If you get this extension, you just install it. Automatically, you will get it here, go live. Automatically, you will get it here, go live. If you go to this go live, now select any folder. Now this file is selected. Now click here, go live. Automatically, it will open my browser. Why it open your Google Chrome only? Because in my system, default browser is Google Chrome. In your system, if it is different, it will open different browser only. Any doubts? No. Sir, what if, sir, my live server is not working? Dekho, I showed you one live server. If that extension is not working, try another extension. If that is also not working, try another one. I don't think it like every live server is not working for you. I don't think it will happen. If settings are having problem with any one of them, it will work another. There are so many live servers available in the VS Code. If you see here only, when I go click on live server, see how many are coming. I am downloading this only. Why? Because this is one of the most downloaded. See, the second one is also most downloaded only. Second one is more downloaded than mine. Second one is more downloaded than mine, na? Which I downloaded. You can use this also. If first one is not working, second one. What if second one not working? Third, try one. Not working. Try fourth one. It will work. Why? Because it's directly Microsoft one only. Live preview it is. So try any one. Okay. Don't stop it there. And if still not working, bring it to me. Okay. And I will solve it. When the class is, if it is offline one, when the class is over, okay, you can bring your systems, or before the class also I will come usually 5 minutes before itself. You can bring it so that I can check it if it is not installing anything properly. Is it clear, ma? And we don't install any other thing except this in this course. Everything browser only runs. Obviously, you all have browser now, Google Chrome. That's it. Now. Good. Does any one of you have laptops? Right. I will first teach you the concept. Then I will tell you. You guys can also open it. You guys also type it. Then I will teach you side by side window. Is it clear, ma? Initially, we can't do that same technique till end, but initial times we can try it. Okay, because we are just doing it now. Okay, now no doubt, sir. Go live. I go to this website. Now type it here, H1. Hello world. What is H1, sir? H1 heading 1. This is how heading 1 will come. If you want H2, I will use this only copy paste. Copy, Control C, Control V. H2. Why it is not changing it? H3, yeah, it's changing it now. You see, when I change the open tag, it's changing close tag also. Do you know why? Because I have another extension. That extension name is auto rename tag. Auto rename tag. I am not saying that you also should have these extensions. Live server is mandatory, but these all are extra. That's why I love VS Code, like it will have everything extensions. Auto rename tag. For freshers, it's perfect. If you change open tag, it will change the close tag. And only if you wanted to do that, you try it. Okay. Now, H4, H5, H6. 6 headings are created, sir. Next, paragraph. What is the shortcut to print paragraph, ma? Lorem. Lorem if I do. Yes. Can you see this? How it's coming? One more point, Ray. Here so many people don't know this. First time freshers, na, it will not come like a paragraph. It will come like this. Can you see the difference, sir? Instead of coming at a paragraph, it is coming in single line. It will come like this also for you sometimes. If it is coming like this, see my shortcut. Click on the paragraph. Write Alt plus Z. Alt and Z editing. In your Windows, Alt tag will be there. I will show you. In your keyboard, can you see this Alt? So, take it here, Alt, and click here Z. If you click it one more time, it will go. This technique is called word wrap. What it is called? Word wrap. In case if your words are not wrapping, use this. If it is coming in one line, I told you Alt Z. Second, so whenever I'm changing here, you can see it is changing here also, na? Right or not? Sir, did I save the file? Auto save. What it is? Where do I have to put auto save, ma? File, go down. Go to file, ma. Go to file, go down. You can see something called auto save. Please click on auto save so that automatically it will save. You don't need to write anything. If you click auto save, it will work. These all are the initial first problems only. After that, you will not have this. First time, na? Maybe you are new to system only. Who knows it? Okay. Now, next. Paragraphs are over. So in my website now I can put headings. Now I can put paragraphs. Headings and paragraphs. Second. To get a default paragraph, we can use lorem ml. Third one. Hyperlinks. Sir, the name itself will say hypertext markup language. Does anyone knows what is it mean by hyperlink, ma? Huh? True? Communicate. It's actually true. To say precisely, it's navigation. When you click on one element, it's going into another place. When I click on about, it's going to about page. When I click on contact, it's going to contact page. Best example for hyperlinks are the website called Wikipedia. You go to Wikipedia, you just navigate wherever you want. Let's go here, something English. Now, if I click on this, again I will go to another one. If I click on this, I will go to another one. Right or not? These are called hyperlinks. What are they called? Hyperlinks. Now, these hyperlinks. These links are used to navigate the user into different different addresses or references. Sometimes when you click on a link now, I wanted to open email. Sometimes when I click link now, I wanted to be in the same page only. Sometimes I click on a link now, I wanted to go to new page. Sometimes when I click, nothing will happen also. Okay. And these links are generated by anchor tag. Generated by anchor tag. What is anchor tag here? Anchor tag denoted with anchor tag denoted with same like paragraph denoted with P. Anchor tag means what is the use of anchor tag, sir? Hyperlinks. Anchor tag is used to create hyperlinks. Go here. Write it here, anchor tag. A, and I will write it here, click me. One link I am writing. Click me. Now if I go here, go to my website. This is my website. Is still link, sir? See, is it coming as a link? It's coming as a text. But I want link. Why it is not coming it as a link means because you did not mention where to go. You did not mention the URL. If I said it, someone clicks you, you will go to some place, then it will become a link. Now go here. You have to write it here. Anchor tag. You have to give one attribute. What you will do, ma? You all remembered yesterday attribute, sir? HTML have one attribute called lang. And lang have value called en. For Korean website, when we went, lang have value called evo. When we go to Amazon, we see en. Same way, anchor tag always will have attribute called href. What is attribute? Attributes always mention in open tag, not closed tag. Whenever it opens, here href. Href means what, sir? Hyper reference. For this hyperlink, we are giving one reference. Href means hyper reference. Now in this href, let me give one link. Let's go to something like Google Maps. Copy. Go here. Now, I am copying one URL. What is the code you wrote it, sir? I wrote it like one anchor tag will come. In that anchor tag, if anyone clicks, automatically they will be navigated to google.com/maps. They will be navigated to google.com/maps. Now, go here, click here. Can you see one link came now? Click on this link. I went. Now, online someone is going for what color we will put. Listen, colors I can put. Colors will be discussed in CSS. So if you hold your excitement for 1 week, you will go into CSS, which will be very easy. Now, one more time, I'm giving it here, anchor tag. Now, anchor tag. I'm writing it here, anchor tag. Automatically, it will create href if you write A. Now, inside this, I will say Google. Now I will write it here, something like google.com. I will give the link. I will give the link and I will give it here. Any doubts, ma? So good. I'm writing one comment, task, everyone task. Create an element of anchor tag, which leads to, which leads to, which leads to w3schools.com when clicks. Write it an anchor tag, sir, quickly, which is very easy. Anchor tag, HREF. You will write the link. HTTPS www.w3schools.com and close it. I don't think it's a doubt. No doubts, huh? No. Good. Now, can we keep one element inside another element, sir? Can we keep one element inside another element? Anyone guess what will be the name if you keep one element inside another element? Did you guys ever had any programming languages? Anyone learning any programming languages, ma? Then you will understand. One element inside another element is called nested element. What is it called? In programming, mostly Java, Python, those things will come. Nested loops, nested if, nested for, right? Nested means in programming one inside the another. We are having nested elements. Nested elements means one HTML element inside another HTML element. I will write it here. Let me write it here. For more content, like, share, and subscribe. So let me give it here. Anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag, I'm giving https colon facebook.com. Simple. Now what I wrote, one paragraph element. Inside the paragraph element, anchor tag is there. Inside the paragraph, go here, go here. Any doubts, ma? Clear? Good. Now, let's note it down, everything. Hyperlinks. These links are used to navigate the user into different addresses or references. These links are generated by anchor tag. Anchor tag denoted with A. Example. I will just copy paste. It's not over, sir. We will discuss in depth about anchor tag. Don't worry. Now, anchor tags. We can even keep one element inside. Just a minute, I think charger. You can note it down, sir. In the meanwhile, we can even keep one element inside another element called as nested elements. Called as nested elements. one element inside another element called as nested elements. Someone in the online are asking for open close tag. You can install something called auto rename tag. Auto rename tag. For the people who are worrying about notes, don't worry. They will give you the classroom. Once the classroom will be came, until that you guys have to write only. But once the classroom comes, still now whatever we discussed from first, everything will be there. Okay. Now we can even keep one element inside another element called as nested elements. Next example. Paragraph inside anchor tag. Good. Now, sometimes when you click on anchor tag, you want that anchor tag to open in a new tab. When you click on anchor tag, you want that anchor tag to open in a new tab. Let's go here. Let me click here. FP. Oh, sorry, no need. I will click on Google. Then, will it open in new tab, sir? Did it open in new tab? No. I want it to open in new tab. So how do you do that? Go here. Give an attribute now. Anchor tag here. HTTPS :/ w3schools.com. Now you can write it here something called target. I am giving one more attribute called target. What is the attribute name? What is the target, sir? Target will tell where to open the link. In olden times, people used to use something called frames concept in HTML. It is not existed in HTML5 actually. At the time, we used to have parent, child, and all. But now we are having only two things. One is self, another one is blank. Self or blank. Self means it will open in the same page. Self means it will open in the already it's by default self. It's opening in same tab. But if I give target blank will open in new tab. Target blank will open in new tab. Perfect. Go here. Where is this, right? I created anchor element, but I did not write anything inside. Content is not there, no? Write some content, sir. Click for W3 schools. Go here. Now, go here. See, one link is there. Now, when I click this link, it will open this link in new tab. See, my tab is here only. If I click on this, again, new tab. Whenever you click on this, it will open the things in a new tab, sir. Any doubts, ma? No doubts. Now, it will not work only because content is what it will show in the element. If you don't write any content, it will not show to the user. See, if the content is not there, but you click the element, you can access it in JavaScript and you can show it to the user that something MP1 is there, but you still can click it, kind of thing. But JavaScript should give content. Okay. Anyway, content should be given. If content is not given, it will not show to the element, either HTML or JavaScript. Kuch bhi. Now, two things, sir. Blank means it will give, underscore blank means it will open in a new tab, blank tab. If I give underscore self, by default, always it is underscore self. It will be in the same one. Click here. In the same tab, it is opening it. In the same tab, it is opening it. It is underscore blank. Inside the anchor tag, in the open tag only, dekho, in this open tag only, you will write it. Always properties, attributes will be right in the open tag only. Always attributes we will write in the open tag. In this open tag, you will write it the target and you will write it this, sir. Everything you should write this all code in VS Code. Open VS Code, create one folder, create one file, .html and write it, sir. Any doubts, ma? You don't have any doubts, sir? No? Go here. I will create more and more. Now see. I will put one anchor tag. I can open it something like mail ID. I can open my mail ID. These all are basic shortcuts, sir. Mail me. Here, if I give mail to, these shortcuts are there. Mail to colon, mail to colon. In HREF, if you write mail to colon and you give one mail ID, now click here, mail me, can I click this mail me? Now you know what will happen. Oh, it will open my mail ID, Outlook. Now, it opened my mail ID and it is sending it automatically. It is sending one mail. So what address it is sending mail, ma? abc@gmail.com. Why only abc@gmail.com, sir? Because you said it abc@gmail.com, sir. Because you are the one who said it abc@gmail.com. To the non-technical people who don't know, I'm telling it, ma. When you are going from one place to another place in the internet, that is called protocol. What is it called? There are some rules to follow. Those rules are called protocols. HTTPS एक protocol है. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. If you go there to internet, HTTPS will be there. For mails also one protocol is there called SMTP. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. If you want to write SMTP, you will write like this. Not only here, not only in HTML actually. If you click this and in Google, if you paste it also, you will go there only. I don't know whether you knew this or not. If you try it, automatically it will work. Same thing. Mail to. Have you ever tried that, sir? Imagine like I wanted to open directly in browser something WhatsApp. Not web WhatsApp. Web WhatsApp open करे तो मेरा पूरा WhatsApp open हो जाता नहीं. I wanted to open WhatsApp, send message to only one person kind of thing. Like if someone click on a button, I wanted to open that. Does anyone of you know that shortcuts? अरे Instagram में शेयर करे तो बहुत आता रे. देखो web का protocol, WhatsApp का protocol. If you write w.me, imagine someone asks you to send a WhatsApp to you and you don't want to save their name. You don't need to save their name. If you write wa.me, this is not HTML, I'm just telling out of the box. wa.me / take number. Something I'm just giving some random number, they don't say it. It should be something good. Now, if I type it now, if you click on it, automatically WhatsApp open हो जाता. for that person. If I open this, what will happen? It will open my interface to send a chat directly to the other person. So many websites will have one button, WhatsApp button. When you click on it, automatically they will come in your home page. I will put it mine now. Come on, mail me, next one, WhatsApp me. Share हो गया, subscribe हो गया, next mail, WhatsApp only. WhatsApp me. Go here. And I'm telling it, there are multiple possibilities using this. This is not related to the, web, something like HTML only. HTML will give you one element anchor tag. How to use it is up to your wish. Right? Now here, mail me something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know whether it will come or not because number is wrong. It came something WhatsApp me here. If I go here, click WhatsApp me. Oh, it's not coming. Why it's not coming? Better put this HTTPS because internet, na? Then it might work. Huh? Oh, I don't think it will check that anyway. Go here. It will not check 9 or 10. How this API will check now? Any number you do, which way? It will directly open that like a WhatsApp. And after you click on this continue to chat, it will check whether that guy WhatsApp is there or not. If it is not there, then it will say it like he is not registered in WhatsApp. Okay, but button will show. Simple. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Next. Now, next one. Anchor tag, you can use it. Target. Now, I can even give for every anchor tag, I can even give for anchor tags some attribute called title. Not only anchor tag, any element you can give title. Title will come some small popover. Okay. Now here, let me give it here. Title Google address. Now if I go here, when you go to Google, can you see something came? Can you see a small box came, sir? Okay. Those things will come, sir. Okay. If you use in web development, these small boxes which are coming whenever you are hovering are called tooltips. What are they called? Whenever I hover, it is coming na tooltip. It is a basic terminology, not related to HTML. In so many websites, whenever you hover it, it will come what it is. It was a tool. Okay. Imagine next time someone asks you, I wanted to get something like this. If you don't know this title also, if you type in internet tooltips kaisa banata, easily it will get. Okay. Okay, sir. Understand the anchor tag. Does anyone have any questions with the anchor tag? Anyone have any questions, ma? I hope no. Let's write it. Let's write it. We can even navigate to mail using mail to column mail ID or telephone using TEL colon. If you give TEL and some number, automatically it will come particular number, or WhatsApp using wa.me. I don't know about the remaining things like Insta and all, but I'm sure there will be a way. You find it however you like it. Snap, Insta and all. I don't think Snap will come, but Insta and all it will come. Now, to open anchor tags, anchor tags or anchor links in new tab, we use attribute target. What is the attribute name? Sir, if I don't put a target equals to underscore blank, what will happen, sir? It will default self. It will open in the same tab. It will open in the same tab. Target and set value equals to value equals to underscore blank. Example. I will write the example, sir, from my code. It's all notes, whatever I'm writing it also I will give you, don't worry. By default underscore self will be there, but I am changing it into target. Underscore target. Someone asked me the question, can we use same VS Code for .NET and this? Yes, you can use it, but HTML, CSS and all are basic code editors you need. That's why VS Code we are using. .NET, Java, Python, they need IDs. What do you use? IDs. If you need IDs, you need to put something IDs like Eclipse, JetBrains, PyCharm. Okay, those things will be PyTorch and all. Okay, now if someone is not getting it WhatsApp number, you have to put your country code, sir. +91 you have to keep. If you keep your number, you will get it. You can even try it in your phone. If you type it also wa.me, it will come 100%. If it is working for me, it will work for you. Next. What one? Any questions then? Anchor tag, no questions, na? Good. We'll discuss one more thing, which is very easy. Image tag. Okay. And then we'll do experiment like whatever we learned on it. We'll see some websites and we'll do experiments. Okay. Now, fourth one, images. These are basics. How to keep paragraphs, how to keep headings, how to keep links, how to keep images. Four things. Images. Images are used for visual creatives in web page. Images are used for visual creatives in web page. We can use img tag. We can use img tag to print images. Print or display rate. Print बोले तो अलग मीनिंग आता. Display images in the web page. So what tag I will use, sir? img. But img is a self-closing. IMG is a. Oh, till now I did not tell you. Now I am going to tell you. Self-closing tags. Self-closing tags are the tags. Self-closing tags are the tags which do not have close tags. Only open tag will be there, no close tag. Only open tag will be there, no close tag. Some tags can have only open tag. The best example is actually you are writing in HTML something called meta. Can you see this? You may observe this meta we never closed. We never closed the meta. Okay. So that is called open tag. Sorry, self-closing. What is it called? Self-closing tags will not have any closed tags, sir. All tags are not self-closing tags. Okay. Only few tags are self-closing. For example, H1, need to write H1 close. Paragraph, we should write it paragraph close. Anchor tag, we should write close also. But IMG, we should not write. There is no IMG close tag. They will be written. They will be written. They will be written like left arrow opened with, or sometimes people will write it left arrow open tag and they will show the closing also here. Sometimes people will keep something close at the last or sometimes don't put also. It is not a mandatory to put the slash at the end. Why do they put, Because what if, sir, if I did not put, imagine I did not put the IMG tag last. Because I know you don't need to put. After that, some junior came to my place. I left the company, someone came to my place. They are checking the code. That guy may be thinking it like this guy forgot it, there's something close. He may try to close. Okay, maybe sometimes compilers don't understand. That's why you need to show last it is closed. This is the best way to write. Any self-closing tags, this is the best way to write. If you don't put also that slash, it will work. But best way is this. Why? Because if I have to tell you, there is one high level called React. You all know React, na? When you write React, in React JS, if you write any HTML element without that slash closing, if I'm writing IMG element without that slash, it will do that. Why? Because React compilers, whatever that is there, it cannot able to read what is self-closing, what is not. It will be like you forgot to close the image. Then I will be like, okay, put the slash. Oh, it's over. Okay. So now go here. Let me write it here. Oh, also these tags also called void elements. Void elements are unpaired tags or empty elements. People call it as multiple ways. Just because it is not having close tag, people are calling it as unpaired or empty or void. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts? No. Next. Let me write one nice image here. Image, I'm writing it starting so that I can able to see the starting page only. IMG. Do I need to close it, ma? Actually, If it is there, it will only come automatically. When you have anchor tag, it will come close tag, but it's not coming now. IMG element. Everything is there. Why? Because you have to give what is that image. For that image giving, sir, for anchor tag, you have an attribute called href. Anchor tag have an attribute called href. Similarly, images have an attribute called src. What is attribute? SRC means source. Barabar. Go and give one image, sir. Let me take one images. Images. Go here. Take it here. Take it here. Right click. Open. I'm opening one image. Copy. Then go here. Now go here. Paste it. I just take one image, sir. I just paste it here. Also, one more thing, sir. Whenever I'm going on this link, I'm getting image now. Left side, I'm getting nice image now. This is also because of one extension only called image preview. Don't think it like normally you will get. Later you will not get and you will confuse. I have one extension, that's why it is showing images left side to me. Because when I copy paste one link now, what if that link is not working? Later I will feel bad after running the code. That's why before running code only I can check it. Now go here. Anyway, can you see my web page, sir, now? It is having it. Any doubts? No. What if the link is not working? Will it get image one now? See, it will come like this. But you should not leave it empty. If the image link is not working, if the SRP is not working, you should write something called alt. What you will write? Alt. Alt is used an alternative description. Alternative text description. You should give only alternative text description. Okay. Now here alt copy cute image. If I write it here, if my image is not coming, it will come something like this. So that the people will understand, oh, in this place, puppy image used to be there. But now it's not there. Sir, what if, sir, my link is working? What if, sir, my link is working? If my link is working, will alt will come up? Is there any alt now? See. Alt is alternative description of the image. That means it will work only if your SRC is not working. When SRC is working, whatever you write in the alt will not work. What is best use of it? Because your website, anytime the images may not come. That's why always Google or any search engine will look for alt. So alt is very important for a SEO purpose. A good developer always for images keep the alternative image. Okay. Now go here. One more time, like if anyone wants the extension to print that image side, that is called image preview. This is the one. Image preview by Chris Thomas. Okay. Now that image is coming something bigger, na? Can I adjust the image, sir? Yes. You can give attributes such as height and width. If I give height 200, total screen will be, your screen will be something pixels will be there. My screen is something height 650 or something pixels and width is something 1400 pixels. Similarly, your laptop also have some pixels. Now, if I give height 200, it will adjust to some 200. I can even decrease the width. I can even go for width also. Width 500. You can make it however you like it, sir. I just take it one photo from the internet. I just display the photo from the internet using IMG. In IMG, we have SRC, ALT, height, width. Sir, not SRC, not this. I wanted to have print the element from my local system. In my gallery, some images are there. I want to print them. In my download, some images are there. I want to show them in my website. Go here. Go to bring some images. Right. Let's bring. Go here. Right click. Open image. Now, instead of taking the link directly, I am downloading this. Save the image. Save the image. Get something. Any doubts, sir? Now in my system, one image is there in downloads. That image, I wanted to keep it in my website. Sir, always it is good approach to keep images in the same folder. Images in the, you know how to change it to folder now? I will go here, downloads. Where is this? Either copy. Instead of going it here, I will directly open up here only. VS Code, left side. Can you see here? Click on this folder. Which folder we have? This folder only. And paste it. Directly you can paste. Copying, Control C. Copying, Control C. Pasting. Very good. This, if you know this way, you are developer, right? Good. Control V. Ho gaya. Now I got this. I wanted to print this, sir. Let's print this side by side. IMG. If you want to print the elements, you have to give relative path. You have to give. Most people don't know how the paths will work. They will go here, they will right click, they will copy path. That is wrong. Always always go for the relative path. Relative path means from this particular point you will go. Like, is it there in the same folder or different folder, sir? Same folder means single dot. Single dot, current folder. Everyone, single dot. 2 dots, previous folder. 2 dots. If anyone knows Linux, they will understand it. Every time you put it, single dot means it's current folder. 3D dot, then they will keep something 2 dots to go to previous folder. Single dot, current folder. 2 dots, previous folder. Now, single dot. Current folder, na? In current folder, image is there, देखो. Dot slash, image is there. Now, Alt, Kitty, go here. Go here. Oh, Kitty is coming something bigger. So for Kitty also, I will give same height and same width, sir. Height 200, width 400. Let's make it short. I kept the image using IMG. I kept the global image. I kept the image link, or I kept the local image. You can keep it however you like, sir. Also remember, some people don't know how to take images from the Google also. Here, can you see what it is helping with? When you take it online link, it should end with JPG, PNG, WAP, something will be there. Instead of ending, if it is going on something big now, that is wrong. Okay? Just to check it. Best way is downloading and keeping only. That is the best way. Why, sir? Why? Because tomorrow, what if the pin image guy deleted that image? It will not come to me also, no? That's why real people, what they will do when we do main websites, we will download all the images, we will store it in our folder and we will use it. It will be there always with us. Is there any doubts? No. I hope it is clear. Let's make a note before we go further. Now, self-closing element. IMG have following attributes. Following attributes such as SRC, used to keep links or paths of images source. It is used to keep the links or paths of images source. Alt. It describes alternative text for image, and it works only when it works only when SRC is not working or SRC don't work, kind of one. Someone asked a question in online, sir, width equals to 500. These numbers compiler taking by pixels, or it means no compiler only. Who will run my website, sir? Browser. In browser, what will happen? Your system will have pixels. Your system will be divided into certain size, sir. When you buy your system only, they will give you something ratio. 1024 by 720. Your screen size will be there in specifications. Okay, my screen size is 1480. With automatically based on width, it will do that, sir. Now, next. Height. Use to mention height of the image. Width. Use to mention width of the image. Now question. Everyone think, anyone can answer. If you click on the image, I want it like, if I click on this kitty, or puppy, I want it to go to one website. Okay. How do you redirect when you click on the image? By using anchor tag inside the. You can't put anchor tag inside image. Why? Because image don't have close tag. So you should put image inside the anchor tag. Very good. Now let me write it here. Instead of keeping everyone answer correctly, you will use anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag, let me write it one website, any website. Go here. I'm going here, this image. This link I'm going it. Link. And I'm keeping this IMG kitty inside this anchor tag. Interesting point is, you know that. No one knows if that is an anchor tag or something. Right or not? No one will know that it's an anchor tag or which one. But how do they know? See the concern? It's a normal concern. Huh? When you go on this, what is happening? Hand. Why this hand is coming? Because it is clickable. Because it is. Why it became clickable? Because you are keeping that image inside the. Now click on this. You can make something as clickable image. I can't use live server. My browser is showing this error. Someone is getting some error. Send an invalid response. Use another live server if it is not working for you. Simple. Now, another is also not working. Okay. I will tell you, I will get the same error which you are getting it. Control C. Now go here. I'm getting this link. I will stop my live server. Now go here. Refresh the page. Now, this is the same error which that guy is getting actually. You know why I'm getting this error? Anyone guess, sir, why I'm getting this error? I stopped the live server. When you click multiple times, is it running my live server now? When live server runs one time, if you click it, live server runs, it will show something port number. If live server is running, it will work. If live server is not running, you will get this error. Online, someone is getting this error, so I showed it. Now, good. I hope everyone understand it, sir, till now. Okay. Now, we'll do quickly one small project which will explain all our learning curve. And I will upload that project into live. Okay. So that you can also, understand it. Let's go here. First one, simple one I will try. Go here. No, why another project? We will do later. Now I will push this website into live. Everyone, see this. I have this website, ma. In this website, two images are there. One image is clickable. In this website, 6 settings are there. One paragraph is there. Anchor tags are there. Now, I will keep this website into live. What does it mean by live, sir? That means if I upload it to server, you can type it something.com. You will get my website. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear, everyone? Now, to do this, you all must have GitHub account. How many of you have GitHub account? Raise your hand. Good. Very few people. Just note it down in your notebook, something called github.com. What is that? Same like your Facebook or Insta, you can create an account here. It's not a big deal. If you have email ID, you can create it. No one teach you how to create Snapchat. Same way, no one teach you how to create the GitHub account also. Create a GitHub account. How to use it, I will. Okay. Now, go to this website called. I will show you this website. Mainly, today everyone go to this website called Netlify. What is this website? Netlify. If I open this, see Netlify, scale and ship faster, something. Go here. Can you see first one? sign up. Click here, sign up. Signing up with GitLab, signing with GitLab, signing with Bitbucket. Mostly email is not working actually. Now, I have a GitHub now. I told just now only create everyone now. If you follow in YouTube also 5 minutes, they will show you how to create a GitHub account. No need to do anything. Don't do anything. Just create an account. And click on this. Sign in with GitHub. It will open your GitHub. Give your email ID and password. And once you give it, sir, just click here sign in. When you click here sign in, it will open. Why it is not opening? Two-factor authentication. For me, I have two-factor authentication. Nothing will happen. For you, directly it will open Netlify. Can you see this, sir? Everyone tell me what I did. What is the website I came, sir? Netlify.com. What is the website? Now, in that, where I clicked, sign up. Where I clicked, ma? And out of options, which option I selected, sir? GitHub. And I gave my GitHub ID and password. And I opened this. Now, everyone, can you see here, add new website? I am clicking on an option, add new website. What is that? I'm clicking on? Click here, add new website. Here you are getting 3 options. Can you see one option called deploy manually? First one, I clicked add new website. What is the first one I clicked? Inside this, what is the option I'm selecting? Click it, deploy manual. Now here they are saying it, browse your folder. I will browse to upload. I will upload my folder. Where I wrote my code, sir? In desktop, in Naresh Shetty, 4 p.m., in HTML, inside the code. Where did I wrote my code? I do. Inside the heading only. Don't worry, nothing is coming because it will select only folders. Now, inside this only I wrote na. Now, upload. Upload. Only one rule. To do this all, only one rule. Rule is your HTML file name should be index.html. What is the file name? If you don't put index.html, it will not come. Later, don't blame. That's why I told from starting onwards. Now they go. Here, site is uploaded, sir. If I go here, site configurations, I can see something famous cupcake, something link they give. If I open this link, I can able to see my website. I will change it. You go here. Can you go down? Can you see change site name? I will change the name. puppy.netlify.app. हो गया. Now, if you open even in your mobiles, something called Kitty puppy.netlify.app, you will get my website, sir. Is it clear, ma? Can we do one more time? Close it. I will show you one more time and we will leave, sir. Click here. New incognito I'm going with because I just want to show you one more time. What is the website I have to go, sir? Click 5. Now open it here. Where I have to click, sir? Good. What I have to select? I will give you email ID. Then. Now Netlify opens. Where I have to click? Where I have to click? What I have to click? Then what I have to select? Desktop here, wherever you kept, sir. Don't keep it your folders into the C drive. That is not good. HTML, CSS, HTML, code, headings. That's why I always keep my websites in different folders so that it's easy to upload. Now, upload. It's uploading. Now, sir, can I change it, sir? Where I have to go to change it? Site configuration. Now, this is my link, comforting 7 something. If you go down, can you see a something option? Now, understand, if the site name is available, they will give. If the site name is not available, it will not give. For example, prasad.netlify.app, if I want to give, someone already took that website. So it will not give. So you should think about something nice name so that you will get it. Okay. 25. Is there? So if you open it, you will get the site. Why did I tell this method is every day I will give you a small task and you guys will try it. Next day, you guys can give me the link so that I can check it. Is it clear, ma? Mostly 3 to 4 times a week we will do it. Now, today's task, everyone. I want one web page. In this web page, one image should be there, nice image, and one title should be there. Some description should be there. Some links should be there. Like, if you put Dhoni image, give it a title, some nice title of Dhoni, and give some description about Dhoni, and then give his some kind of 3 links to his Facebook or to his whatever the profiles. Are you getting my point? You can use it for your favorite actor, actress, or cartoons, or whatever you are mad about it, you can try that. Is there any doubts in this? And if anyone have any doubts, you can let me know. If no doubts, yeah, that's the end of the today, sir. You can see the notes. In case if you have any doubts, you can let me know. Once the classroom is created, I will inform all of you, and at the time we will have the notes. Okay, till then, just note it down. That's it for today, ma. Thank you all. Online, if anyone is getting error, anyone having any problem, tell me, ma. Arjun, can you please send me the screenshot of your VS Code with some link or something? Okay, I don't think here you cannot upload, no? Just check it on Arjun. If it is not working, can you share the link of your web page which you created now? Sir. Ask you thrice. Step onwards will automatically come. You already did the site. If you did the site, you can upload it now. Yes. First time night will ask you something nice. You got it error. That means sometimes what will happen, no? GitHub and this Netlify will not get pop-up. Check it in your mail ID, you will get one message. No message. Then you should try with another GitHub only.
Sir, I create two GitHub account and Slam error. It is seen from 1 year.